Hey techies, welcome back in Tech VP channel. I hope all of you are doing great. So techies, today we are going to discuss about bug life cycle. This one is a really one of the important interview question for the SDET role. In the last two videos we have discussed about the test strategy, test plan, test scenario and test case. If you are not mm, aware about the test scenario, test strategy, test plan, test case, how these works, please check out my last two videos. Okay, so let's start to discuss about the bug life cycle. But guys, going to before next step, please like, share and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about the interview question for SDET role. So let's start. The exactly guys, we have four terms in software development. We have four terms: error, bug, defect and issue. So error means definition a mistake done by the developer while he is doing coding, and misunderstanding or the oversight. For example, developer write int x equals to hello, but it should be string x equal to hello because hello is a string. So by mistake, or it's a typo mistake, he write int place of the string. So this one is the error. And if we talk about the bug, so definition wise, a flaw or fault in the software that cause its behave incorrectly or produce unintended result. Suppose clicking on a submit button does not nothing when should submit a form. When suppose you are clicking on the submit button and it's not working, so it's a bug. And if we talk about the defect, a variation between expected and the actual result found during testing. A defect is reported when software does not meet the specified requirement. For example, the requirement states that a user should be able to reset a password, but the reset password function does not work. This one is called defect, and it's reported by the end customer or the product owner. And if we talk about the issue, then definition wise, a general term used for any problem related to the system, including performance issue, security vulnerability or infrastructure problem, is called issue. For example, a server crash frequently due to high traffic causing performance degradation is called issue. Okay, so the thing is that guys, error at the development end, bug at the QA end, defect at the customer end, and the issue refers to your system related problem. So I hope you understand all the four terms. And if we talk about the bug life cycle, so bug life cycle have different stages. Okay, so the first one is a new. Once we have to open any bug is in the new state, then it will be assigned to the developer, or the we can use a QA manager also assign this one. Then it will be goes to the next, then it will be marked as a open. Okay, after that it will be marked as a progress, and in the next stage it's marked as fixed. Once a developer resolve the defect and mark it as fixed, then retest is assigned to the QA engineer, and in this stage QA engineer tests the bug, again retest the bugs what exactly he was reported in the last time. So he again test, and after that he will verify, and then it marked closed by the QA engineer. But guys, there is some additional terms about the bug lifecycle. First one is a reject. If defect is invalid or not reproducible, the developer reject it. Sometimes bugs are not sometimes bugs are invalid, it's not reproducible at the developer end, or it's a flaky bug kind of, so it marked as a rejected. Duplicate, if bug is already reported by some another QA or by you, by mistake you have again raised the bug, is marked as a duplicate. Deferred is a bug valid but not fixed this time. In the next release they will be picked to fix the bug, not a bug. If reported issue is not actually a defect, it is marked as a not a bug. Okay, so guys, this one is a bug life cycle: new, assigned, open, in progress, fixed, retest, verified, close, and in the progress it again comes to the reject, duplicate, deferred and a not bug. Okay, so I hope guys this video is really helpful for you to understand the bug life cycle and the four term which is majorly used in the software development. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to get more amazing stuff about the interview question for SDET role. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.